representatives from that great agency. Then we have the Bikers Against Child Abuse, BACA. So they're back here. You talk about the strong taking care of the weak and just good citizens taking care of good people. That group right there. If you ever want to read their creed, it'll get you up and going in the morning. I promise you that. So thank you for that.
Mike, do you want to have all these people come up for a picture?
Yes, sir. It's about half the audience. Yes, sir. Just a couple more. We have the Family Time Crisis and Counseling Center down in Humble. Help folks when they need it most. The Community Assistance Center, who provide food, clothing, and financial resources. Angel Reach, who help kids that have aged out of the foster program, 16 to 24. Lone Star Legal Aid is here as well. Jocelyn Camarillo down there. Very importantly, Children's Safe Harbor, who I know you know quite a bit. We have a number of representatives from Children's Safe Harbor. Look at that. And then finally, the representatives from both the District Attorney's Office and the County Attorney's Office who help victims every day. Again, these are good people doing good work for folks that are hurt. This is hard work. This is hard work. This is God's work. So, with your permission, we'd have them all come up. Sure. We may need a stadium. Y'all come on up.
Put a damper on it. I'm a crying victim. I can't wait to speak. You get through security.
Thank you all.
Judge, I forgot to mention Sumi here, the only county employee who works for food. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Sunny.
Amy, can you take one of these minutes?
There goes the audience.
All right, we're going to continue now. County Clerk, item 8A and item 8B, consider and approve Commissioners' Court minutes from regular sessions dated March 19, 2019 and March 26, 2019. Are there any changes to the minutes? If none, do we have a motion to accept? All in favor? Opposed? Motion carries. Thank you very much. Let's move to item 9, consent agenda. Gentlemen, are there any modifications to the consent agenda that you would like to make?
I'd like to move 9B5 on page 3 to open. 9B5 on page 3, that's the salary schedule. And then I'd like to defer 9D5A on page 4. 9D5A on page 4 regarding Grogan's Mill intersection improvements.
Okay. Is there anything else?
I would put those changes.
Okay, I need to defer, if you would, please. we may, just one more, we'd like to defer on page 5, number 15 of 9G1. 9G1, defer number 15.
The human resources,
Yes,
are there,
yeah.
is there just one of them?
Yeah, there's a group of them.
Oh, number 15.
Number 15 of that group wants to be deferred. Are there any others? All right, do I have a motion to accept the consent agenda with modifications?
Move it.
Second? All in favor? Opposed? Motion carries. Then let's move right over to our open agenda. First, the items from consent. Commissioner Nowak, 9B5.
Yes, 9B5, salary schedule. I was curious, is on this salary schedule, does this reflect any changes for compensation for the constables, chiefs, or captains? I know they've been having conversations with HR and the budget office, so are those included in this?
No, they're not currently on there. We do plan, there's a couple of ways that we can go about doing this. Dodie and I have had the conversations, as you guys have instructed, with the constables. We are ready to bring something to court for you guys. We can wait till budget workshop and bring that to you guys, or we can bring it to whatever the court's desire is.
And Dodie,
This is separate from that, though. Yeah.
so it's not in there at the moment. Okay, so have you set a salary for those positions?
Not set a salary, but I made a recommendation. My recommendation for the constable chiefs is 115,000 a year, and for the captains, 105,000 a year. To be presented, and my other piece of the recommendation was that we wait until budget time to present those.
Okay. And you spent a significant amount of time going through?
Yes, so we looked at several different counties and tried to do some comparisons. Weren't real lucky on that, but we did some comparisons, and that's how we came up with the recommendation, and Amanda and I both presented.
Okay.
Well, knowing that y'all spent a significant amount of time on that, and I would hope that I'd hate to see that come before the court, before the budget hearings. So hopefully we can wait till the budget workshop to have that presented. And I move on your salary schedule as presented.
Is there a second? All in favor? Opposed? Motion carries. Thank you very much. We've deferred the other two items.
Thank you.
At this time, we're going to, if we may, move item 13A. Oh, excuse me, we have citizens' comments. Before we do, excuse, I'm sorry, Judge.
No.
Citizens' comments. Bill O'Sullivan.
What about G1? Did we, Dr.
It's deferred. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what I said, yeah, item 15 in that package is deferred. Mr.
Good
O'Sullivan.
morning.
Morning, Bill.
I rise in support of removing the tolls from the flyover. Basically three reasons. First, the flyovers are paid for, so now it reverts to just being a tax. And I think that the people, when polled on this, 90%, once tolled roads are paid for, the tolls should be removed. Second, there's a safety issue involved. I haven't been around for a while because I've been under treatment at Methodist. In front of Methodist, the service road for 45 gets backed up because people are avoiding the toll, and the accordion effect on the service road goes all the way back to Research Forest Drive. So that creates a bottleneck in front of the hospital where you don't want a bottleneck. And one of the things when the South County Mobility Study was done, one of the priority items was to clear things around the hospitals so people can get in and out. Now you have the power to do this just merely by lifting the tolls. The third thing, well, how do you replace the income? Well, if you've been paying attention, we recently had appraisal creep. told the people, I can tell you that this appraisal creep has a lot of people angry and it's totally jeopardized the CISD bond. And now I realize the court, when we talk about cutting things in the court, want us to go after the big guys, CISD. Well, it's their turn in the barrel, and they're getting it this time. Mostly about the structure, but people are angry about the appraisal creep they're facing. So my suggestion would be to you to lift the tolls, and if you are afraid about whatever, that it won't relieve the congestion, give it a holiday for 3 months and watch it. At any rate, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bill. Appreciate that. We have another individual coming up, Mr. Heron. Welcome.
Good morning. I don't want to put a damper on the session, but I'm afraid I might. I spoke to Mr. Metter last week, and he suggested that I might take a different route. But since this is the only time I've ever had to approach people, judges, the commissioners, in a recorded session, I feel I have to speak. My name is Winston Heron. I'm a member of Point Aquarius in Willis, where I've lived for the past 23 years. I'm 77 years old, birthday's next month, and I've spent the last 2 years of my golden years in the pursuit of liberty and justice for all. And I forgot my glasses. I've always presumed that all meant that I would be included. My pursuit of justice began with the Justice Court Precinct 1 with a complaint I had to file to obtain access to the books and records of the Point Aquarius Property Owners Association, of which I am a member. I became concerned when Judge Mack denied me, as attorney pro se, permission to record proceedings during my bench trial ordered prior to a hearing, and to which I did not appear ready for trial. My pursuit of justice continued through County Court Number 2 on appeal of the Justice Court judgments, the Sheriff's Office, the District Attorney's Office, the County Attorney J.D. Lambright's office, the office of Your Honor's predecessor, Craig Doyle, the Attorney General's office, the Department of Public Safety, Texas Rangers Division, and now the Commissioner's Court. I have been denied due process as stated in the United States Constitution, Amendment 14. My pleas for an investigation into the criminal activities being perpetrated by certain members of the Point Aquarius Board of Directors, their attorney-in-fact, their management company, have been denied and are ignored by both the Sheriff's Department and the Office of the District Attorney. My grievances and complaints to both the State Bar Association, the State Commission on Judicial Conduct have likewise been ignored or dismissed for various reasons. My only recourse is to direct my request for an investigation to Your Honor and this Commissioner's Court. The specifics supporting my request will include allegations against named individuals. So last week I spoke with Commissioner Metter, who suggested that I first contact the Office of the County Attorney, which I have yet to do, understanding that the County Attorney is only responsible for advising other county offices on civil matters. I am requesting Your Honor's advice on how I should best pursue a criminal indictment against the Point Aquarius Board of Directors.
That's an indicator of time.
Oh, I almost got to that. 3-minute warning, which is a few sentences
Well,
long.
it said we're serious about our 3-minute warning. and
I understand, sir.
don't mean to be
But
rude.
thank you for listening.
We appreciate you coming and
I
sharing
got
this
my
with
point
us.
across.
Thank you very much. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
All right. At this time, Judge Banks, you can
That's going on
read section
YouTube.
13A for
Hey,
10A, if you would please.
I didn't get any applause.
Amy set the
You
time.
know that you've got a quarter?
Hey, none of that.